pro tip, get here early because there's barely anyone in the store and you can kind of shop how you want. Okay, so this is kind of like a unconventional tip, but I love the hand soap here. They have like some really good hidden gems. And the good thing is, if you don't want to decant things, most of the hand soap is pretty aesthetic. So you can kind of like choose based on like the scents that you like and also the aesthetic that you like. So for instance, like look how aesthetic this jar is. The packaging is aesthetic and it seems like a pretty good scent. This is, I feel like this would be really cute in like a living room if you want like extra seating, a hallway. This would be really cute like in a hallway space. And I like that it has this like little slot under. You really put this in a lot of places. I love a good like seating on it. I feel like that's like another tip when you're in HomeGoods. Look for unique items like that. You can really elevate a space with just like simple little unique items like that. And you're creating more just kind of functionality in your space by solutions, but having unique items. Also, I found this gorgeous piece. How pretty is this? So it's supposed to be kind of like an outdoor side table. As gorgeous as this is, I'm not like a huge fan of the material itself. I just don't think that is the best quality material, and you can kind of see that because it's chipping right here. So my tip for you is when you're buying furniture or looking at furniture in HomeGoods, make sure you are satisfied with the quality of it for the price point, because the HomeGoods furniture can be a little on the expensive side, but you get what you pay for, okay? So make sure you are really testing it out, feeling the material, that you're satisfied with the material, because some of the materials they use or some of the furniture pieces to me are not the best quality, and you can go somewhere else to get a better quality for it. Okay, let's talk about pillows. I love a good pillow from HomeGoods. I mean, they have like a lot of options, as you can see. I'm a whole pillow owl. However, I find that unless I'm really in love with a pillow at HomeGoods, I typically just don't go for them. I am into kind of like pillow covers now, but occasionally I feel like if you're going for something that has like a bit more of a fun pattern or a shape or whatever, and you just kind of need something quickly to like accent a room, HomeGoods is definitely gonna be a go-to for pillows. So it just depends on what you're really looking for, and also like the durability of like the pillow as well too. So oh, how cute. You guys know I love a good little mini lamp. This is a pretty like solid price for $50, because I think the stone base kind of definitely is making the price a bit more expensive, but very cute. I think this would be really nice like on a like office desk or something like that, because it's giving like study vibes, you know what I mean? It's in a study, it's in an office. I definitely think that would fit the vibe, or maybe even kind of like a nightstand or something like that. Very nice. I'm also seeing a lot of lamps that have this like little type of like stone. Very nice. This one is really pretty as well too for $40. They typically have really good lamps, so definitely like a go when it comes to shopping for lamps at HomeGoods. Another tip when you're coming at HomeGoods, look at the vases. Every single time they have some of the best vases for like the best prices. And sometimes one of my pro tips is I will do clearance to get some of the vases that are not so pretty, and you can kind of like DIY and customize the vase the way that you want to. Definitely one of my little secrets. I love the vases at HomeGoods. Okay, this tip is for my hosters. I love getting just like hosting essentials from HomeGoods, especially like just different like bowls or platters to serve things on, like when you're hosting at your house. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. They have different like white dishes that you can host your food in when you're hosting like family or friends. And I just feel like it just kind of takes the whole like ambiance and just kind of just gathering to another level. So you can do like a salad in this, but I usually get all of my hosting dishes from here. And then if you really want to get super fancy, you can do like cloth napkins. So they have even like placemats if you want to do like a theme type of situation, table runners for different themes or different seasons. So this would be cute like if you were doing like a summer kind of like, I don't know, dinner party or something like that. Anyway, definitely my #1 go-to when it comes to kind of like getting white dishes and things for like hosting. Just have really cute things.